Sometimes little sounds can feel very big to a baby. This is Indoo's story of finding courage. But then a sudden sound.
Ma.
Shh. It's okay, baby. Mama is here. In Mama's arms, everything feels safe again. Curiosity replaced fear, and Indoo reached out. With Mama's love and patience, Indoo learned that not all sounds are scary.